Good morning everyone. This morning we're heading up to the Gold Coast airport to pick up my nan, pop and auntie. They're coming up to stay with us for a few days. And they're also here for my mum's auntie's 80th and my pop sister's 80th. So they've got heaps of family coming up and down to surprise her with a surprise party, which is super exciting. This morning we're doing an insulin pump change, which basically, because I've got type 1 diabetes and I wear a insulin pump and I also wear a continuous glucose monitor. And this morning I'm changing my pump, which I change every 3 days, and I thought I'd record it to show sort of what it's like and how it goes. So basically what an insulin pump does is, this is my insulin pump that I carry around with me, which has this device which I can set my settings through to help me with my blood sugar levels and everything. And this stores my insulin, which I need insulin to constantly sort of run every day, which helps control my blood sugar levels. And it comes with the tubing that the insulin runs through, and then this is the site and the port. So basically this little thing helps me function every day. So what happens with us type 1 diabetes is our pancreas dies, and what the pancreas does is it releases insulin to help control your blood sugar levels. So because mine's died, I carry around a pump, which is basically like a robotic pancreas to help me out. So I have to change this every 3 days and refill it with insulin and, you know, put in a new site. So basically that's that. And with my little port, it basically has this little sticker, so if I ever drop my pump, it pulls at that sticker rather than the needle. And basically that is, I don't know if you can see that or not, that's the needle that sits inside me for 3 days and then it sends the insulin into me. So first thing that we do is we get a vial of insulin. That's the medication that helps me. And I get a syringe and needle. And I basically fill the syringe up with insulin. So it probably uses a vial of insulin for 3 days. So I fill that syringe up with insulin, then we get all the air bubbles out, and then we get the new cartridge. This is the cartridge that holds all the insulin in it. And I put the syringe in and I draw all the air out of that cartridge. And then I get the air out again. And then I put all that insulin into the cartridge. Sometimes it can be hard. Hold on. And then I put all that insulin into the cartridge. And then I dispose of the syringe. Then I open up my pump then I go to options, and then I click load, change cartridge, and then I basically take out the old cartridge and replace it with the new one. Then I get all the new tubing and the site ready. So this is that site that you guys would have seen before with the needle, and then this is the new tubing. So I just connect the new tubing to the new site, and then I connect the tubing, the new tubing, to the pump. And then I start filling the tubing to get all the air out and make sure the tube's clear to be sending insulin in. So then I have to wait for the insulin to go through the tubing and make sure there's no air bubbles and that the tubing's working. And I have to wait for 3 little insulin drops to come out of the tube. So as you may be able to see, can you see the little insulin coming out of there? So that's what I have to wait for. I have to wait for 3 drops. Then what I basically do is I get an alcohol wipe and I clean my new side area, so that all my new side area is clean and disinfectant, and then I will insert it and then it will be done. So my mum just put my new insulin, my mum just put my new site in because I can't do my size. I think it's a bit of a mind over matter thing or something, but yeah, I can't do it. And then I basically just get some extra tape and I just put it on the needle side just in case it ever pulls, it's still attached, you know, sort of thing. So that's my pump change for the next 3 days. Good morning everyone. This morning is officially Tuesday. Me and Tia are gonna go head out to the horses, go out to them, give them some carrots, maybe take them for a walk. Then we're thinking of driving down to Brunswick Heads. Gonna go around, see there, and then come back home and see what else we're gonna do in the day. I'm currently waiting on an order to be delivered, which I'm pretty excited for, so hopefully that comes today. And yeah, see what else we get up to. Guess what has arrived? My order. I'm super excited. I got these with some of the Christmas money. With some of my Christmas money, I got a new pair of sneakers. I'm obsessed. Look how good they look. This is like my 10th pair of sneakers. I'm not kidding you. I literally love collecting sneakers. And I'm obsessed with these new pair. So they are my new sneakers. They're so nice. I love them. And another thing that I got was yesterday, the day before, went up to Hodder on the Gold Coast with my nan, pop and auntie and my rest of my family, and we went to the art gallery. I got some prints from the gift shop. So the first one I got is this print here, which I'm obsessed with. And then the second print I got, we were actually walking around the gallery and I saw this and I took a photo of it because I liked it. And then when I went to the shop, they had a poster of the print. See? So I'm obsessed with that. But we are currently in the process of moving, so I won't be hanging them up till the new house. But sort of exciting, waiting to hang them. So I'm obsessed with those. I love that. Like today is Wednesday, and me and Mum are just getting ready because we're about to go out. I think we're going to go to Bunnings, pick up a few things, maybe some boxes to pack up the house, and then I think we're going to go out for a coffee. And I got to go to the chemist to pick up my diabetes stuff. But yeah, I've just gotten ready and changed. This is my outfit. Don't mind the one shoe, not one shoe on. But this is my outfit, and we're gonna get ready to go. So basically, I've just finished cleaning the house. Oh, hold on. Bad angle, but I'm just putting everything in the car, including, I'll be there during an open, but we've basically cleaned all the house. We'll see how this goes. I also finished recording a video that I'm going to upload, I think before this one, about me and my diabetes and stuff like that, so I hope you have watched that one and then you can watch this one. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. So this morning we had an open house and that all went really well, and then I've just been cleaning the top of my wardrobe and now I'm going to do some washing. So I think that's all I'm going to do today. I think tomorrow we're heading up to Pack Fair, so we'll record a bit of that. And I went to Robina shopping centre yesterday and I got some things, so I'll show you guys some of what I got. And yeah, that's basically it for today. So I thought I'd come back on here. It's been a few days since we've been to Robina. We went up to Robina and did some shopping. And I thought I'd show you quickly what I got. So basically, this is all from Canon. I got everything at Canon. So I basically got this new t-shirt with this design on the back, which I love. I got these new pair of jeans, which are going to be fun to style and, you know, try things on with. I thought they'd be fun. And then I got this jumper, which I'm in love with, and it has this on the back. Same smiley face as the t-shirt. And the other thing I wanted to show you was these new shoe boxes that I got. I'm absolutely obsessed. I got these from Kmart, but are they not the coolest thing you've seen? They are so cool, and they're all stackable, so I'll stack all my runners up there. I'm gonna leave that here. I hope you guys like this week's vlog. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you next time.